The contagious puzzle of yawning, a deep dive into a universal behavior. Yawning, a seemingly mundane act that we perform multiple times a day, has intrigued scientists and philosophers for centuries. This involuntary, deep inhalation and exhalation, often accompanied by a stretching of the jaws and a closing of the eyes, is a behavior that transcends cultural and species boundaries. In this essay, we will explore the mysteries of yawning, delving into its physiological functions, psychological implications, and contagious nature. From a physiological standpoint, yawning is believed to serve several important functions. One theory suggests that yawning helps to increase oxygen intake and improve brain function. When we yawn, we take a deep breath, which can increase blood flow to the brain and remove carbon dioxide. This may help to improve alertness and cognitive performance. Another theory proposes that yawning plays a role in regulating body temperature. By cooling down the brain, yawning may help to prevent overheating, particularly during periods of intense mental activity. Beyond its physiological functions, yawning also has psychological implications. It is often associated with boredom, fatigue, and sleepiness. When we are tired or bored, our brains may become less active, leading to a decrease in oxygen demand. Yawning may then serve as a way to increase blood flow to the brain and improve alertness. Additionally, yawning can be a contagious behavior, with one person's yawn triggering yawns in others. This contagious nature suggests that yawning may play a role in social bonding and coordination. The contagious nature of yawning has been a subject of much scientific interest. Studies have shown that yawning can be transmitted through both visual and auditory cues. Simply seeing or hearing someone yawn can trigger a yawn in another person. This contagious behavior is not limited to humans. It has also been observed in a wide range of animals, including primates, dogs, cats, and even birds. The underlying mechanisms behind contagious yawning remain somewhat unclear, but it is believed to be related to the brain's mirror neuron system, which allows us to empathize with and imitate the actions of others. While yawning is a common and seemingly harmless behavior, it can also be associated with certain medical conditions. Excessive yawning can be a symptom of sleep disorders, such as narcolepsy or sleep apnea. It can also be a side effect of certain medications or a sign of underlying health problems. If you are experiencing excessive yawning, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying medical conditions. In conclusion, yawning is a fascinating and complex behavior that has intrigued scientists and philosophers for centuries. While its exact functions remain a subject of debate, it is clear that yawning plays a role in both physiological and psychological processes. The contagious nature of yawning highlights the importance of social factors in shaping our behavior. By understanding the mysteries of yawning, we can gain valuable insights into the workings of the human mind and body.